Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. This is a braking exercise and we're going to combine braking with a swerve. You cannot perform maximum braking and swerving at the same time. It's either one. Now right here we're going to get up to 20 miles per hour, but in something like this you can, the longer runway you have, the higher the speed you can obtain. The idea is to accelerate hard, use both brakes, come not to a complete stop, but come to a speed that would allow you to make the swerve. Remember to release that front brake. You can keep a little rear brake on, but do not keep the front brake on when swerving. My wife Donna is going to demonstrate it. Brakes hard, release the brakes, swerve. Out on the streets, you better know how to use those brakes. The only way to get good at it is to practice your braking under controlled conditions. You can also do this and come to a complete stop and then start off again. But it's more practical out on the street that you'll be braking hard and then swerving. One or the other. You cannot perform maximum braking when you're swerving. Till next week.